Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot C-7 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this is a brand new home. We just got it not too long ago. It's totally finished up now. Take a look on the outside. Got this really pretty outer color. I believe it's Cypress olive. Got outside water and electric hookup. That red spout was the faucet outside. And those boxes right there were the electrical outlets. So you've got 2 outside electrical outlets. Coming to the inside, you've got this really beautiful kitchen. This is the living room here. Got these 2 great big windows at the front. You can see the neighborhood here. I'll go ahead and stand in the corner here so you can kind of get a view on how large this room is. Got that really nice ceiling fan right above. And there is vinyl flooring throughout this house. Right here, I'll mention the cable jack that we have. That's to set up a TV if you wanted to. And here you can see this house has the premium option of the 2-inch blinds. Here is the thermostat. This house has central air conditioning and forced hot air. Here, looking at the kitchen, you have all stainless steel appliances. And they are all Whirlpool. These appliances also have a warranty through the manufacturer, so if there's any issues, you can contact them and get it fixed. Got a freezer on top there and a fridge on the bottom. In the kitchen here, we've got this really nice subway tile backsplash that runs the whole length. In the cabinets, you have adjustable shelving. So this is super easy. You just lift it up and then you can adjust it to any side. Also saw the slow closing mechanism there. Here is the brand new faucet. Just had to pull it down. And you've got a sprayer knob on there too. And that just slides back in there. Here is your farm sink. You get the drying rack and the cutting board there. And there's this really nice window, so it brings in some light if you're washing the dishes. Here is the corner cabinet. This is much deeper and also has that slow closing mechanism, as do all the other cabinets. Here is your microwave. And that is right above your stove oven combination. Here you've got a 4-burner stove, and this is the oven right here. There's 2 racks in there already. Beneath you have this heating tray. And on the left here, I think these are amazing. You have these super deep cabinets, all stacked on top of each other. This is the best place to put snacks or ingredients or whatever you would need in the kitchen. And again, those all have this slow closing mechanism as well. Here you can see the windows up front. This right here is your furnace. This is responsible for the central air conditioning and forced hot air that I mentioned before. The really nice thing about the AirQuest furnaces is that they have that super easy to replace filter right at the top. So you just pull that down, slide out the old filter, and put in a new one. This is your back door right here. And this is your bathroom. So this house has the more premium option of the black hardware. So you can see you've got the black sliding glass doors, black shower head, black knob, and that is 1-piece fiberglass. There are 2 seats in there. Here above the sink, you have a overhead light. And you've got some cabinet space in here too. Moving on to the bedroom. Just before we get there, right here you would have your stackable washer and dryer. This is the place that you put that. And here's the bedroom. I'd also like to mention that the windows in this house are double thermal pane, meaning that they are super energy efficient in keeping hot air in during the winter and cold air in during these especially hot months of the summer. They also add to the Energy Star certification, which you can see right there on the wall. Here is your closet. You've got that wire rack that comes pre-installed. This right here is your whole house shutoff valve. And you've got two screens here if you wanted to replace the storm doors out front, which are currently glass. If you wanted a screen storm door, you could use that. This is your data plate that I was mentioning before, which has all the information about the home. And right here is your water heater. I'd also like to note that you have a cable jack in this room too, so if you wanted to set up a TV here, you could do that as well. This right here is your electrical panel. It's just like a regular house, being 100 amps. And that's everything. If you're interested in this house or any of the other houses that we have to offer, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception, here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2 bedroom, 2 bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.